Following is area forecast discussion. For St. Louis, Missouri, issued 5:37 p.m. The short term is issued 2:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, Sunday, February 12, 2023. Water vapor imagery currently shows weak upper level ridging in place over the middle Mississippi Valley with a shortwave digging across the northern plains. At the surface, the ridge axis extends northeastward from the mid-south into the Ohio Valley and with weak southwesterly flow across the county warning area. This flow has helped temperatures climb into the mid to upper 50s for most locations thanks to downsloping effects of the Ozarks. With a couple more hours of daylight left, temperatures will likely climb a degree or two higher. Tonight, the aforementioned shortwave will move into the Midwest and send a cold front through the county warning area. The current air mass is quite dry over the region, with current observations showing dew point depressions of roughly 40 degrees, and the dry air is expected to remain in place through tonight ahead of the front. Therefore, this is expected to be a dry front, with just a wind shift and upper level clouds expected with its passing. Tomorrow, weak northwesterly surface winds will be in place over the county warning area in the wake of the overnight front. However, dry air over the middle Mississippi Valley will lead to cloud-free skies, and ample sunshine and upper to mid-level ridging will quickly build back into the region, offsetting whatever weak cold air advection will be in place through the surface flow to keep temperatures tomorrow similar to what we have experienced today. Early Tuesday morning, guidance consensus is that a shortwave will be in the process of ejecting out of the southwest into the central plains. At the surface, its corresponding surface low will form over the central high plains and move towards the upper Midwest. As the low makes its way across the plains, a low-level jet will ramp up over the middle Mississippi Valley, starting early Tuesday and remaining strong through the day. This jet will aid in deepening moisture and providing isentropic ascent over the county warning area, leading to a widespread rainfall during the day on Tuesday. Ensemble probabilities support generally a quarter of an inch of total rainfall, with portions of central and northeastern Missouri seeing up to a half an inch by the time rain ends Tuesday evening, thanks to better forcing. Also on Tuesday, the increasing pressure gradient across the area paired with a strong low-level jet will lead to strong surface winds. There remains some uncertainty with how strong winds will be due to thick cloud cover preventing deep mixing in the low levels. Probabilistic guidance has the greatest probabilities for sustained speeds and gusts just below advisory level criteria. Sustained winds 30 to 39 miles per hour with gusts to 45 to 57 miles per hour. Regardless, it will still be a windy day, with winds dying down toward the evening and overnight hours as the low moves further to the northeast. Long-term Wednesday through next Sunday, issued 2:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, Sunday, February 12th. This is with the St. Louis area. In the wake of Tuesday's shortwave, deep southwesterly flow will return over much of the county warning area for Wednesday. The exception to this is portions of northeastern Missouri and west central Illinois, where a cold front associated with the departing system is expected to be positioned. This will lead to a tight temperature gradient in this portion of the county warning area, with locations north of the front seeing temperatures only top out in the mid-50s, while narrow ensemble spread provides high confidence. The locations south of the front will see temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70. This anomalous warmth will be short-lived, as guidance consensus is that an upper-level trough will eject out of the intermountain west into the plains late Wednesday and then move into the Midwest on Thursday. In fact, variability of the phasing of this trough and its associated surface low among global ensemble members is low for this lead time. A majority of both the EPS and the GEFS membership have the corresponding surface low passing somewhere through the county warning area Wednesday night into Thursday morning. The track of this low puts our county warning area between two possible hazards: accumulating snowfall to the north and strong to severe thunderstorms to the south. As for the snow threat, the expected track of the surface and 850 MB low favor the greatest threat for accumulating snowfall occurring north and northwest of our county warning area based on climatology. It looks like the current worst-case scenario is that the deformation band will clip portions of northeastern Missouri and west central Illinois as the low departs the area on Thursday and colder air filters into the county warning area. This may result in wet snow falling in this part of the county warning area, but snow would likely struggle to accumulate much thanks to surface temperatures near freezing and warm ground. As for the severe threat, the system will have ample shear to work with, but as it moves through the county warning area with 0 to 6 kilometer bulk shear, topping out at over 50 kilometers per deterministic guidance. However, the low's passage through the county warning areas is diurnally unfavorable for severe weather, and ensemble probabilities for SB Cape drop off considerably for thresholds over 100 JKG. Additionally, ensemble-based probabilities for severe weather from CIPS and CSU also keep higher probabilities for severe weather south and east of the county warning area. Therefore, confidence in severe weather occurring over our county warning area remains low, but if a strong to severe storm threat were to materialize, southeastern Missouri and southwestern Illinois would have the greatest probability of this threat. Deep northwesterly flow in the wake of the Wednesday night to Thursday system will advect anomalously cold air into the middle Mississippi Valley Thursday night and Friday, with ensemble means supporting temperatures roughly 10 degrees below climatological normals. Ensemble consensus that this cool down will be short-lived, as upper-level ridging will quickly build into the region for the weekend, with temperatures seeing a return to above normal thanks to warm air advection through deep southwesterly flow. I think a key sentence here is variability of the phasing of this trough and its associated surface flow among global ensemble members is low for this lead time.